Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet my chromatic phone case. At my local craft place, I found 1 cake of Yarn Bee Sugarwheel Cotton, which is a DK or lightweight yarn. I'm also using an F-sized crochet hook. This case is comprised of just 2 solid granny squares. To begin, make a magic ring, which is just a loose slip knot. And then chain 1. For round 1, make 4 single crochet stitches in this ring. Be sure to crochet in the ring as well as around that tail end. Pull that tail end to close the ring. Then slip stitch to the first single crochet. Chain 1. For round 2, make 3 single crochet stitches in each of those 4 stitches. In the second stitch, I'm making 3 single crochet. And in this third stitch, 3 more single crochet stitches. And finally, in that fourth stitch, 3 more single crochet stitches. Slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1. For round 3, work 3 single crochet stitches into the next stitch, which is the middle of the previous round's 3 stitches. Then make 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Then make 3 single crochet stitches in the corner again. As before, this will be done on top of the middle of the previous 3 stitches. Make 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. 3 single crochet stitches in the corner again. Make 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Then make 3 single crochet stitches in the corner again. And make your last single crochet stitches in the next 2 stitches. Slip stitch to finish. Round 4, chain 1. In the next stitch, in the middle of the 3 stitches, make 3 single crochet stitches. Now we're going to increase by 2. So make 1 single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And do the 3 single crochet stitches in the top corner again. And along this side, 4 single crochet stitches. 2, 3, and 4. 3 single crochet stitches in the corner. Follow this pattern around. In my cases, I changed colors every 2 rounds. However, you can work with 1 color or change colors like this with the slip stitch. Round 5. Chain 1. In the next stitch, make 3 single crochet stitches. 2 and 3. This time, increase by 2 again. So we're going to make 6 single crochet stitches across this side. 3, 4, 5, and 6. 3 single crochet in the corner. Continue along, placing 6 single crochet along the edges and 3 in each corner. For round 6, 3 single crochet in the next stitch, which is the corner. Increase by 2 more for a total of 8 single crochet stitches along each of these sides. 7 and 8. And 3 stitches in the corner. Continue along with 8 stitches along each side. I made a total of 14 rounds for my phone. Since all phones are different sizes, here's how to determine how many rounds you need. If the 2 points just about meet, that is perfect. And you'll need 2 squares. If you notice, on the top of one of my squares, I have a loop. This is for the button. To make this, on the last round of your second square before you are ready to fasten off, slip stitch over to the corner. Then chain 10. You might need more or less depending upon the size of your button. Then slip stitch to the base again. Cut and weave in all ends. Once both squares are made, it's time to assemble and sew them together. Place the first square without the loop on the phone like this. Pinch in the sides and the base like this. You will sew along these 2 edges to begin with. I just like to sew back and forth like this. Feel free to use any sewing stitch you wish. Try your phone out in the case just to ensure it fits correctly. Now it's time to sew the second square. Keep the loop at the top and place the second square against the back of the phone like this. Wrap it around the front like this, and sew along these edges. I usually start on the one side like this. Again, use any sewing method you wish. Then continue towards the back and then the front side again. And you are finished. Then sew on a button to the front to keep the flap in place. And that's how I make my chromatic cell phone case.